In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the exhaust side cam sensor on your Kia Sorento located under the hood. Let's get started. Located behind the engine on the driver's side of the vehicle, we're going to be removing this 12mm bolt located right here. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen it. Now that we have the bracket loose, move it out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and unplug our sensor. Simply pry on the tab and pull the connector out, like so. Now we can simply move these out of the way so we can get access to our connector bolt, which is located right here. Using a 10mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and remove that bolt. Take the bolt out. And now we're ready to remove our sensor. Go ahead and wiggle it side to side. And as you wiggle it, pull it out. I'm gonna go ahead and use a little pry tool, being very careful not to break the connector. We're gonna go in between and we're gonna pry on it very carefully. Here's the old sensor. Line it up with the hole and make sure you bottom it out. Once you do that, we can reinstall our 10mm bolt by hand. And now we can go ahead and torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Now that we have the sensor torqued in place, we're gonna go ahead and put the bracket back on. We're gonna go ahead and align this one. What I like to do, I like to put the bolt in first to make it a little easier. Line it up with this hole and start it by hand. Now we can get it snug. And now we're ready to plug our sensor back in. Simply line it up and make sure you hear a click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.